is Bree, and I'm your choreographer for this year's Food Truck Party VBS. Right now I'm about to show you the dance to Good Stuff, so please take a listen while I explain what we're going to be doing in this song. Be sure to mirror me the entire way through. So for this song, we're going to do a lot of freestyle dances. So during the chorus, you're going to see me doing a few TikTok dances. Now's your time to get to show off all your cool TikTok dance moves. So go ahead and be creative and have fun, and let's jump right into the video.
Hey, hey.
Now, I like that. Come on. What's up? What you doing? Take a look at what we got brewing. It's a feast, yeah. It's gonna taste good. God says don't, but we think you should.
No way, no way, no way, no way. We got our minds made up and we're gonna obey. 'Cause I got enough. Obedience is the good stuff.
And not the crowd, 'cause that is what life's all about. And every day, don't be afraid. When you feel tempted, just stand up and say,
No way, no way, no